Hello everyone, this is Bipin MP from Srinivas Institute of Technology, Vadachil. So my topic is steam electricity generator. I'm studying in first year CSC. Steam electricity generator. The steam electricity generator which generates the electricity from the steam driven. Water is heated and turns the steam force, produces the steam force and pushes the piston back to the force inside the cylinder. This pushes force can be transferred and connecting rod to the flywheel into the rotational force. The flywheel is already attached in the generator. Then it which rotates and gives you the EMF, electromotive force. So the advantages of this steam electricity generator is gets high electricity, fuel used is cheaper, low maintenance and pollution free. Disadvantage is that more fuel is required. It takes time to produce steam. Space is required. So prototype. So this is a prototype here. The steam which water is boiled using a burner and which heats the water and gives the steam out to the piston, and the piston gives the steam to the uh, uh, flywheel, and flywheel which rotates the force and gives the electricity back. So this is my topic. Thank you.